Try again. Great. All right. So usually, guys, for those of you who are new, you get to ask me questions before 9:30 a.m. After 9:30 a.m. and I trade, I kind of like have to focus, so I can't really answer your questions. So if possible, if you have any questions during the time right now, just ask me questions that you guys may have, and we'll go from there. Pretty much. Pretty much. What up, SK?
Andy, what's your analysis for today? What do you think?
I think it's gonna go up unless anything changes. But I have to watch the stocks when like let's look at it now, pre-market real quick. Let me get pre-market stocks. Let's see what's happening. Because remember last week on Friday, I noticed that everything was red, 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 and that's what caused it to go down. So let's take a look here. So pre-market is still red. Um, yep. Unless anything changes after market opens, we're looking at we well, if the market listens to the stocks, which supposed to, it goes down. Based on what I'm reading, based on what I'm reading here, like what I'm reading, it looks like a continuation up because we were at a range and then it broke right here. And, this may be a tested candle, but we're gonna have to wait. So we're gonna wait. Yeah, so what up, Derek? Good morning. Demon of David. So Um, I think that it may take an attempt to go up first and then continue down after. So that's my thing. It might. So here's what I'm gonna do. Again, I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm gonna make a plan A and a plan B, and they might not both work. And if they don't, that's okay. All I know is that I'm going to win today. I'm gonna have a winning day today. Why? Because I'm positive today. That's plan A. That it does that. Very simple. And plan B is that it comes down and it continues to go down. Red. Two plans. Nothing else. That's it. Nothing else. Good morning, John Tate. Good morning. Good morning. Remember, you can ask questions before 9:30. Just press the push button or just hit me up through chat. Through the chat, you can text and be like, yo, if you never traded before, don't worry. A lot of people haven't traded before and they're still making some money. A couple people have started 4 or 5 weeks ago and they're making some money. They make $40, $50 a day. So if you don't know how to trade, that's not a problem at all. It all depends on who you. It all depends on what coach you got, right? Because I'm pretty sure if you have a freaking an average quarterback, and then you got a great ass coach, and that quarterback wants to learn, he's gonna get better with that great ass coach. You know, if he doesn't want to get better, then he ain't gonna do nothing. So pretty much, guys, I think that the market is gonna go this way, down or either up. I gotta watch it now. Remember this channel I drew yesterday as well in the webinar. I said, guys, I'm drawing this channel to see how it's gonna respond. So, for right now, the channel has been um not respected. Well, sorry, respected. It has been respected. Came up, came down. Let me just take this out. Boom. Up, down, boom. You know what I'm saying? So very, very important that we know that it could either go up for a retest. What's a retest, Danny? Retest is basically that when you have the market that strikes down all the way down, like boom, like this, pure candles, the buyers, because these are sellers, the buyers have to come back and see if they have enough strength to push up. It always is like that. It's kind of like somebody dunks on you in a basketball game. They dunk on you mad hard. Wouldn't you get mad and try to dunk on them back or do like a freaking crazy ass move? If everybody's like, oh, well, this and put it in simple words, this is exactly what happened on Friday. The sellers were like, boom, 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 boom. So right now the buyers are like, oh, all right. You think you're really gonna get away with that? Nah, I don't think so. So either what's gonna happen at 9:30, the sellers are gonna say, yup, I'm gonna dunk on you again, or the buyers are gonna say, nah, I don't think so. I think we're gonna push up real quick. So that's basically the battle right here that we have. Yep. One moment. Ah, yes, sir.
Well, it's basically like from last night. Now, am I able to trade at night how it is this morning, or is it just different liquidity?
It's a good question. I I lost a lot of money trading at night because I wanted to make money fast and it never turned out well. So what happens is at nighttime, when you're trading like NQ, I'm gonna tell you how it moves and I'm gonna draw it out for you. At nighttime, NQ or anything that has to do with the stock market besides like Forex, but this is futures. Let's say, for example, if on normal time you see a green candle coming up on volume time, which is now around now. Normally, it'll go up. You anticipate it goes up because it has power. This is what happens when there's no volume and you're trying to trade at night. You see a little candle come up and you're like, "Oh shoot." The same exact thing is happening that usually happens at 9:30. Let me catch it ahead of time because at 9:30 it usually does this. This happens. It goes like this. Goes up during non-volatile, it goes like this. And it reverses on you. So you end up losing money. So you need volume to give you the direction. You know what I'm saying? So remember I said like when you're trading, you have to look for as much clues as possible. The more clues you have, the more proof you have, the more everything, the more easier it is to trade. Well, one of the clue that you need is volume, which is now. Trust me, it never works out. Mm-hmm.
Of the right way to trade while I'm working. You feel me? So since I'm working right now, I'm
Mm.
on the clock. You feel me? I can only do so much. You feel me? Because the manager, you know how I go. So I
Okay,
was trying to see if it could be kind of like my benefit
got you.
trade at night.
100%.
I still do forex, but I started to just do forex at night
Mm-hmm.
because it's just the time, working and shit like that, trying to find the right time for it. But I'm locked into this community regardless, you feel me? Because I'm learning and I'm always trying to elevate my mind. So And you being a good leader is the reason why I'm even in this community. But
Appreciate you.
I just wanted to know because I feel like a lot of other people out there I don't have the time like me.
Hundred
And I'm
percent.
just thinking like other people to him myself. So appreciate you giving that information because I'm just trying to figure out what the fucking best way I can put this trade. I'm
All
trying to
right.
lock in. I'm trying to put this $300 into this trade. You feel me? So I can
Mhm.
lock in with you guys or however the case may be.
So check this out. The solution for that would be hopping into bigger time frames. So for example, let's say if you go to work at 8:30 a.m. Let's say for example, you go to work at 8:30 a.m. And let's say you know the market opens up, let's just say at 9:30 a.m. Let's just say you know that the market opens up at 9:30. You take a 15-minute break and you look at the chart, right? So you go to the 1 hour and let's say right now this is 9:30. Let's say right now this is 9:30. I'm gonna just make believe it's 9:30, okay? So you go to the 1 hour, which is right now the 1 hour, and I trade using the 5 minute and 1 minute. So that's kind of hard when you are working. But if you're in the 1 hour, 1 hour has heavier time frame. And what you would do is you'll say, okay, based on my analysis and what I've been going through with Danny, like she's explaining, it seems like the 1 hour broke over here. And I believe that the 1 hour is going to continue up. Let's say you got a 15-minute break and the 1 hour is showing that. You just see that the 1 hour is starting to reverse at 9:30 and this turns green. You give yourself one move and one move only if you're working. Usually I do like two moves in the 1 minute or like three sometimes because the 1 minute moves fast. But with the 1 hour, it's only one or two moves you need. So what you do is you put really low risk and then you enter, let's just say over here. When it flips green, you enter there and then you put your stop loss a little bit longer. Let's just say it flips green and you put it right here. Perfect. This flips green at 9:30 a.m. and you're like, oh shit, I think it's gonna go up. You're sacrificing, which in MNQ there's gonna happen that you're gonna sacrifice like $50 or 60. But when it comes to 1 hour time frame, you have to sacrifice more because your stop loss is bigger. You get what I'm saying? Like your protection is bigger because you're trading at a higher time frame. So you're gonna sacrifice $80 and you're gonna come back within an hour. Come back within an hour. You take the trade right there, the buy, and you put the stop loss right here, and you come back within an hour. And you put your stop loss at a reasonable target, which would be like around here, let's just say. Maybe it'll try to retest this right here. It makes more sense, you know? You know what I'm saying? So that's why you'll take it slower, as in like not being in a charge 24/7. And there's some people that do that. They call
Yeah,
swing
I'm
they
just
they call swing traders. So swing traders do that. They take a they take a buy and then they call it a day. Let's see, somebody else has a question over here in the chat. Do you record these live trading sessions? Yes, I do record it on YouTube. Only reason I'm asking because I'm doing the road traveling, but I really want. Yep. So I record it on YouTube. And you can see it on the prepare. No, no, my bad. You can see it in the channel that's called Recorded Live Sessions with Danny. It's in the other channel. So this channel is a different channel because this is called Weekly Free Channel, right? And then you got the other channel that's called Supreme Profits, and then there's another channel that's called um recorded live sessions, and that's where you find everything that I trade. Because I'm not afraid to record my live sessions. Legit. Being a trader is not only studying the charts but studying your mind. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna have some losing days, we're gonna have some winning days. So it says, what platform do you suggest that we trade in? Reason why I'm asking. I have 1,200 sitting in my Robin. Okay. So before you even use your real money, I'll be real with you. Practice first how I trade. But that's perfect. At least you have a boost, something to start you out with. Practice how I trade. Watch the lives. Usually what like my friends and students did, right? They watch my live for like about 2 weeks, right? And then after that, they deposit real money. Now, where do you deposit real money? I have another channel that's called Prepare to Trade with Danny, and I use TraderVate. and it just basically shows you how to use it and how to connect it with TradingView, which is this right here, which is what I have connected. Like I have my Tradeovate connected to my TradingView.
Then we're gonna figure that out. Because I do want to sleep in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Very execute. I probably still do it at night, but I still want to execute through that early in the morning.
Facts.
It's still good to be fucking winning early in the morning, though.
Course.
Next, like on the weekend, it feels good to start off.
Course. But John, if you do like with my strategy, with my strategy, like with that 1200, you can easily convert that to 4,000, by of course risking good and of course making sure that your entries are solid, you know? Because with MNQ you could make a lot of money. You just have to do it the right way. And you're gonna see now at 9 a.m. how I break down these charts. Pretty much. With all the dudes around me that I have learned with and that I chill with, um, that are definitely like on another level. They trade futures, indexes, which is US 30. US 30 moves just like MNQ. They're like twins. So they move the same thing. Boom, 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 boom. I might take off the Discord camera because can you guys see the camera on Zoom? You can see the Zoom on the camera that I have for Zoom, right? Like me there. Because I might just save stream memory by cutting off my camera and then you guys can see me through the Zoom one. That's what I'm gonna do. Because I want to have faster yeah. So right now it's 9:23. It's about to be 9:30 in about 7 minutes. Shout out to my boy Ray Lopez that just hopped on. What's goody, bro? God bless. Happy Monday. Let's have a beautiful week. Let's have a week full of confidence. A week full of good stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's the goal. That's the goal. So I'm thinking that again, is gonna grab liquidity here at 9:30 and is gonna hop in. This is what I'm gonna do, and I'll tell you my plan of entry. I'm gonna enter with low risk, and then I'm gonna feel it out. If I see that it's continuing up, then I'm gonna add more risk. Simple. Now on Friday, I ended up with that last trade. I ended up breaking even, but let me tell you something. Friday was insane. Um, And the reason why Friday was insane for me, it wasn't this drop here that was insane. It was that after it does a drop, I'm gonna just erase this and go to replay. Cause I was thinking about it on the weekend. I'm like, Danny, like that was quote unquote an easy trade. No, it wasn't. Look what the market did. Look what the market did. Watch this. If you didn't get up here, if you didn't enter here, if you didn't enter here, right here, which was 9:25, right? And then 9:30. So if you didn't enter exactly at 9:30, let's just even say 9:35, but I was given it some time. But if you weren't quick, either these two candles here, then you're gonna have a hard time. Why? Because if you entered even here, let's just say even if you entered here on a sell and you're like, oh shoot, it's going down. So it retraced about $40, which is okay, good entry. But if you entered around here with these wicks, it's gonna play with your brain. Because look, it went down, went up, went up, went down, down, up, down, up. But it is going down, right? It is going down, but it's going down in the most complex way possible. I'll draw it out for you. And that was the problem that had with me. It's going down like this. It's going like kind of like evenly. It's not going down like this. Boom, boom, boom. It's not going down like that on high volume time. So I wasn't trusting this drop. I just really wasn't trusting the drop. And because I wasn't trusting the drop, I'm like, I need to see a clear move. Because many times, once again, it will come down and then it will shoot up, right? So, anyways, it'll just play around with you, play around with you, and then all of a sudden, around 10:20 a.m., practically when I was finishing my trading, I usually finish my trading by like 10:30. It gave one little solid drop. And guess what happened after that? Then it range for a good. See how long it ranged. So it ranged for a good from 10:40 for about almost 2 hours. It ranged for. You get what I'm saying? So you had you had limited time to enter. You know, um, and that's why trading sometimes is complex because waiting sometimes takes away your opportunity. Sometimes you wait and your opportunity is like, uh-oh, now did it leave? And then you over here trying to chase another opportunity. You're trying to chase it here, it's not working, trying to chase it here, it's not working, trying to chase it here, it's not working. So next time, which is now in 3 minutes, all right. If I see volume at 9:30, I'm taking it. I'm taking it with low risk. Okay, fine, I'm taking it. So I don't fall for that trap. Taking it, taking it, taking it, taking it. Here we go. So now we have a dump. Here we go. We have a dump. Now, what I see over here is, hey, I think I want to continue down. Let's take a look. We'll see what happens. We got 2 minutes. Dos minutos. What's up?
What's your bias?
You missed the whole thing. So my bias is either going to go up to grab liquidity and then start to continue down, or is either going to break this whole range right here and then continue down. Those are the only two things that I'm following right now. So we have a kind of like a wick over here. Let's see where the 1 hour is. Yeah. So we have a wick over here. Um I'm gonna wait 1 minute to see how this thing refreshes. See, screw. And then I'm gonna hop on. And I'm not gonna take a buy until it breaks all the way up here. Right here. We're not on the safe zone, nowhere near here. You know? So vamos a ver. Couple of seconds, and then we'll see how it starts. Starting the week off with low risk and going from there. Okay, stocks continue to be bad. I'm gonna take a sell here. If I'm gonna put a sell stop right here. If it if it breaks that, and then right here, a little lower. Oh, okay. No, refreshed. We're kind of looking good this morning a little bit. It refreshed. We're looking kind of good this morning. So we're looking a little bit se ve que se it looks like it's a little bit bullish. We'll see. I'm gonna get out of this sell stop. I'm not gonna jump to conclusions. So we're looking like it's starting off Monday good. So this is the bottom of the range right here. You can legit on the bottom of the range. Again, I'm not jumping into conclusions, but this is the bottom of the range here. If for any chance, they just say, where's my see stop us? Oh yeah, nice, 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 beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's go to the 1 minute here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. It's looking like it's green. This is the bottom of the range. This could be a potential like entry because this is the bottom of the range. So I would have to see, based on how it's printing right now, which would be a B plus setup. It really wouldn't be a strong setup, but I can take a nice entry at the close of this 1 minute and then see where it would go. Because it looks like the buyers, here we go. And then I'll do my stop loss all the way below here. And I will not enter more. Why I'm not going to enter more? Because I need to be sure it's going to break that area where I said it was going to break that area. So it's breaking now. I like that. I'm going to wait a little longer though. I'm going to move my stop loss a little bit more up. Let's see where is it going to go. Let's see if it's going to break that. You have the one.
The sell stop is the top loss.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. I need to confirm. I need to confirm that it's gonna continue up before I even decide to add another entry. See what happens. Sometimes you gotta let it breathe, right? So yeah, it might come back down to retest, but that's the choice that I made.
You buy that now?
Yeah. Move my stop loss below this candle here. I'm in bias for now. Doesn't mean that I believe in it. I'm just following price, right? So I'm following price based on the stock, how the stock's printed this morning.
You know what rhymes with bank?
What?
You know what rhymes with bank?
No.
Tank. And that's what it's gonna do.
Tank, huh? Nice. Let's wait. All right, so it looks like it looks like that was a liquidity grab, and if it was, no problem. I'm gonna enter right here on this next drop to see if it really goes down and breaks. And do a sell stop. I haven't entered yet. I'm doing a sell stop. Sell stop is pretty much like kind of like oops. Why is it stuttering? Why are you stuttering, sir? Do like a little another dollar there. All right. Nice. Let's see what's it gonna do now. So I hit my entry where I said that I was gonna enter, so I'm following my rules. We go from there. Let's see if it's either gonna if it's either gonna completely come back or continue down. But so far the wick is all the way up here. Wick is all the way up there. It said nope, and then it continued down. So let's follow it. I'm not worried at all. Low risk. I will only put more risk if I feel confident, right? If I feel confident, that's when I'll say, okay, I'm feeling confident in this entry. Let me continue again to put low risk. I mean, more risk. How am I going to feel confident? When I see some sort of volume drop, I have to see some strength. Yeah, I got to see some strength. Or I got to see a higher low be created by a 1 minute. We'll see. It honestly looks everything green. It looks like it might even flip up, but that's what I'm reading from the stocks. But again, I follow price. So I'm not gonna be like, because it's this, I'm 100% gonna be on buys. No, 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 no. Nice. Looking good so far. Like that. Let's see where it's going. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do when this 1 minute candle closes, I'm gonna do a stop loss break even. Oh wow, looking nice. Is it serious about that drop? I'm gonna do stop loss. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do it above that previous 1 minute candle. I'm gonna do a stop loss in that previous 1 minute candle right here. Right here. If it goes, I'm gonna take this out. And then if it breaks this over here, that means it's another liquidity grab. And we just gotta be patient and be like, okay, well, we know what they're doing, right? They're just collecting people to either push it up to test that area or to continue down, right? I'm gonna scale in not now, but I'm gonna scale in at a good time. I'll let you guys know when. I'm not going heavy because as you can see, why go heavy when the market is showing you this data, right? Why go heavy? I'm not gonna go heavy. That's how you lose your money. There's no reason to go heavy right now. So the 4 hour broke his own low, but the 4 hour is also the 4 hour. Ooh, this looks like a good. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Looks like it's gonna tank down, ladies. Really struggling, huh, guys? It's like we want to go down, but we're being pushed up kind of. Mad funny. Oh, there is a gap to fill. That's where I see prices going. Makes total sense. There's a gap to fill. I'm feeling confident in this next scaling in. I might scale in the next couple of seconds. Here we go. Scaling in here. Let's see what happens. If I see that it's gonna go up and tricking me, I'm gonna adjust my here we go. So I'm gonna adjust it up again. Now wait. Really trying really hard, huh? There we go. There we go. Nice. So what I'm gonna do is I took some I'm moving fast because right I see that the market is actually hesitating. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just leave it like that. All right. I'm up right now 135 and we'll see what happens. If it comes back up, I'm gonna let it kick me out and then I'll probably give myself another chance later on. But up 130, I just made 135 and then I just stacked it and threw it really quick. I just threw it. I just got out fast because you guys can see the way that it's printing. I don't like it. I don't like it. Just don't like it. I rather take my profits as fast as possible. See how like dumb is moving, or am I crazy myself?
Oh, it's not
What slowest? What he said?
stagnant.
Yeah, exactly. It's not moving with volume, right? So
Doesn't look like a market open.
exactly. Thank you very much. So it doesn't even look like a market open. So because his light is not giving me, it's just looking stupid. You see all these spikes? Same thing happened on Friday. Spikes, spikes, spikes. I took what I can in the bottom over here and called it a day. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get out. Boom. Get out. Up 104. And I'm gonna wait. Why? Because I don't know. I don't think that was a I don't think I think that I have more in me than that. Yeah. So now it's gonna look like, yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Now it's gonna look like that, the buyers are gonna want to push up like crazy, you know? But I'm not gonna chase that trade since I'm up right now. I'm a little bit calm, you know. I could call it a day, I could call it a day, but then I could give myself another choice and say, either you go a little bit hard,
think I did a time today.
Mm-hmm.
Or earlier shit.
Now I think it's definitely gonna go up, which is crazy. Which is crazy. I'm gonna give it. I'm actually gonna enter a buy because I'm gonna follow what I see in data. Right? Data said that the stock market is good, is green, kind of. So I'm thinking they grabbing liquidity to continue up, and that's what happens. So we're gonna see. If it comes right back into this circle, then I'm gonna get out again. If it comes right back into the circle, see right here. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Comes back into the circle. Call it a day. Because no one MNQ, it has the power to freaking go all the way up. Probably gonna grab that liquidity all the way down there. Mm-hmm. He's fighting for his dear life. Mm. That 10 minute is looking spicy a little bit. It's looking like it's setting up for a retest up there. It doesn't want to drop. Um, but you see, there was a gap right here. So I think that's what it was looking to do right here. So that's how I was confident to take that sell. And then I'm not sure if it's gonna continue down or if it's gonna continue up. We're gonna have to see on that one. Okay. Nice.
Hank, Hank
Mm-hmm.
Mondays.
Mm-hmm.
Hank Mondays. Electric prediction. Oh,
That was a statement. That drop right there was a statement.
cool. Continue.
There we go. Ooh,
There you
okay.
go.
Boom. Call it a day. Done for the day. There we go. That's it. 143 for the day. That's it. I'm happy with $143. Boom. Done. Not going back. Not going back. Do you guys have questions? Clean $143 on my account. Call it a day. It might take
I was being
it might continue down. But why am I gonna look? It might continue down, right? But it might continue down by making your mind work, right? How do I mean by making your mind work? All this stuff here. See? All this stuff going up, going down. Why am I gonna make my mind work when I just made 143 and I called it a day? Why am I gonna go and say, oh, okay, I want to make more, I want to make more, I want to make more, if the market is not gonna give it to you in an easy way? It's just gonna make your brain work. See, it might go down now, but it's not always gonna happen that way. I could have kept the dollar there, but my dollar would have kicked me out. Why? Because I'm gonna put my stop loss break even. And by me putting my stop loss break even, it'll kick me out again. And then what's gonna happen? I'm gonna say, no, I believe in this move, and then I'm gonna go down again and press sell. But then all of a sudden, it might tank now, but it's not always gonna happen. You can't really say I'm always gonna rely on these tank downs. It's the wrong brain to have. You know what I'm saying? Wrong brain to have. Because that's not always gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? But that's
Oh,
nice. It's continuing
that's
down.
a
Yep.
shit. That's crazy.
It's
Holy
continuing down.
crazy.
It respected my channel. Anybody got questions?
Baby.
Text me in the chat or something, or push to talk.
It's Alex.
Yo.
Hey, I was down. I was down 80, and I ended up being profit 10, $11
Oh,
on
nice.
this last drop.
Oh, nice. So you broke even.
Stuck
Pretty
right
much.
there.
Pretty much. So that's
That-
yeah, that's crazy. That's when you that's
it helped. Even when it did the retrace, I kept holding it,
yep.
and it worked.
Nice. Nice. That's because you believed in your move, bro. It's because you believed in your move.
It's good to do it. Yes.
That's because
I
of what?
said because you believed in your move. You believed in the move. You believed in the analysis. You trusted yourself. You trusted what we spoke about, what you see, and you're like, I'm a hold because I believe in the analysis. You know, nice, beautiful drop. It didn't move fast though. That drop didn't move fast. It's moving slow. That drop. Aquaman made 234 for the day. Good job, bro. That's what I'm talking about.
55.
Oh shit. Damn. That's a car. That's a car payment.
Yeah. Damn.
Yo, puts that.
What car is 85 a month?
Yo, Alex, put that on the chat. Put you're up 300 or something dollars, so I can take a screenshot of it and I can post it in the chat.
So people think I'm not happy and shit.
Yep, I like that, bro. Good job. That's what's up, man. I'm a That's what's up.
We're gonna have to go into the picture.
Yes, sir. So it's crazy because the stocks all showed green mostly, and all of a sudden it drops. You see why you can't always listen to the um to the news? News gonna lie. They're gonna lie. They're gonna want you to buy so they can take all your money. Pretty much. Pretty much.
You cut that job too, then.
Yeah, but not the whole thing. But yes, I did. Mm-hmm.
I caught it from 716 all up until 600.
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
like
yeah.
110. But I had two contracts. I had two contracts going, so it was like almost like 400.
I'm gonna take this out because we already know that news is that drop is lethal though. This called another Friday continuation. Jeez. Yeah, keys dropping.
See, that's what
And
we were talking about yesterday. We get mad that we don't make more.
mm-hmm. Well, there's a gap as well that it created on the 1 minute on where I was looking at right here, like a fair value gap right here. So it's probably gonna go to that. I'm not sure if it's gonna continue down or.
So 1 minute,
Mm-hmm.
it's like a gap.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
That's how you do it, guys. That's called being smart. You see, Alex made 380 something. That's a beautiful day, a beautiful way to start the morning. Wow.
When my account's back at 100, at 1,000.
Damn. And you started the account at what? 500, you said?
With the money was at 550.
Yep, that's crazy. Crazy. Doubling up, doubling up. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. Nah. Yeah, you're right. Normally Mondays are not good. Yeah.
Close. God damn.
Yep. It's gonna continue to drop. That's crazy.
Yeah. I could have been over shit.
He's like, he's like, he's like, he's like, he,
Yeah, 2,000.
yeah, yeah, yeah. He got a bit of 2000. Oh
I'm
man,
looking at the daily right now, and if you're looking at the daily chart, you know what I'm talking about. Look at that big ass gap that needs to be filled. Look at
déjame.
those wicks.
Let me
Oh,
see. Let me
juicy.
see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Daily, 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 daily.
Really.
Oh yeah, this going straight for that fill. Yeah, we just don't know how strong is the retrace, man. We just don't know how what how. Somebody said what happened with the live. What? You can't see my screen no more? Oh shit, you can't.
Happened with
There you go. Thanks, Sergio. Thanks. Yeah, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like the market is always gonna tease you, bro. And then you know what's gonna happen? Your brain is gonna think that it's okay to do that, and you already know what happens after that. You know what I'm saying? Might as well
but you know,
just, you know?
I was in profit like that much is because I put more contracts, I put more risk. But like the way I was looking at my trading percentages, my wins and losses, like I was winning way more than I lost. But each time I was winning, it was very minimal because I would only do one contract. But
Mm-hmm.
this today, I was like, you know what, bro? I'm great. I've been killing on my trades. We just put two contracts. Have
Mm-hmm.
that same move, but double the profit just because like your win rate is higher,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so you can multiply your account faster.
So remember, I in the beginning of the chat, I took plan A and plan B. I mean, sorry, two plan A's. Plan B was gonna be here. It failed because I thought it was gonna come back up and then take us all the way up. It didn't do that. So I ended up taking my plan A of sells, which is that, the drop. And it worked out well. Worked out well.
Danny, which one's the? I don't find the chat here because I
Uh
see the weekly chat,
yeah,
daily chat,
is the weekly
daily.
chat, right guys? Is the weekly chat, right guys? I think that's what it is. Text in the weekly. Yeah, that's yep. I just seen your text. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. It was a little slow, but we did it. We did it. You know what I'm saying?
Where's Jeremy?
Jeremy, where's Jeremy at?
Yeah, where's it?
Jeremy's here.
I'm always here.
Yeah.
I'm just signing. I'm always watching.
Look at my photo.
Good move though. I caught it on like paper trail, but it was a good move. Good day.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Damn, Danny.
What continues to drop?
Brother, it's at 520, bro. I could have caught another fucking 2K and shit. God damn.
Hey.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
What a bitch. Oh, God.
Eventually, all that has to be filled, right? Eventually, all that has to be filled.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Probably tomorrow.
Maybe, yeah, by tomorrow, yeah.
Bro.
Yep.
Fucking today, I just see that shit 10K. I retrace, bro.
Bro, you got a winning day. Be happy.
I know, I'm happy.
It could have been worse.
Of course, it could have been. It always be worse.
Yep.
I've never made that much in one day.
Yep. Exactly. That's the spirit.
I would have never made that much in one day. It's not how much you make, it's how much you eat and most stuff.
Facts. Facts. Don't mind me, guys. I'm making some mashed potatoes.
Danny, I just got 500, bro.
Alan, don't be fucking up your day, bro.
Nah, I just got 400, Danny. Oh, God.
Nah, bro. You're not gonna fuck up your day.
You going to the gym?
Yeah. Yep. I'm making eggs. Wow, it tanked down a lot. It filled that whole.
Brother.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. Nah, but we fucking read it. We read that shit completely.
That's crazy.
Man, we read that whole thing.
That's crazy.
Yeah, Danny, does those gaps have a name? Like, what are they called? Gaps, like, you know, they has that gap in the middle.
Oh, fair value gap. Usually what they're called.
Oh, okay. That's
Mhm.
so eventually they had. Okay, yeah. Okay.
They don't always get filled, you know. They don't. It's not a 100%, but it's good to have more clues, more confluence. You know. Know what I'm saying?
Yeah, prices only going two directions. It's either going to a fair value gap or
Damn. This whole week, I think, is in a tank down now because look at the weekly candle. It completely it flipped. It flipped down. You just have to have a great stop loss. You know. That's the thing.
I see this thing going to 20K 900.
Let me see where the month is looking because the month is about to end. This is where I look at the monthly to see what's going on. Here we go. Oh shoot, the monthly might flip, bro. Oh, that's gonna be bad if the monthly flips to red. No, I'm talking about like red, like sells. Look, Look at the monthly. If the monthly flips, it's over. It's over.
Damn. Yo, this week's gonna be interesting, man.
Yep.
What does the monthly flipping? What does that mean? Like, what does it mean?
That means
Big
that,
ass movie.
yeah, that means big ass moves. Yeah, big ass
Big ass
moves.
movie.
Yep.
That's when the candle like hits the roof of your house.
Yeah,
Feel free, like,
pretty much.
hit the roof of your house.
Pretty much. Nice little drop though.
It is
Damn.
like, dude, that shit keeps going down.
Yeah. Could have kept the dollar in there, you know?
Nah, shut the fucking right.
Oh shit. Could have kept $1. Hey, Alex, you would have kept the dollar there, you would have been another $350 up.
I would have made another 1,000 just by one contract having about it.
Yo, that's crazy. Hey, but listen, we are reading market as it's printing. We don't know that it's gonna drop down
Yes.
like this. You know what I'm saying?
And how many times have we been fucked?
Many times. Many times.
Wow.
Many times that you say, "Oh, I'm gonna enter now," it turns around, or "Oh, I know it's gonna drop." You take it. You know what I'm saying? It's like you just don't know. You know what I'm saying? You just don't know. But we have like 10 minutes, guys. 10:15. I'm gonna be cutting off the live. So if you have questions, ask me in the chat or press the voice thing. Keeps tanking or what?
Danny, I'm out, done.
All right, bro. I'll see you on Wednesday.
Got it, G.
And that's the move, guys. Forgive me. What I was doing is making some mashed potatoes. Then you guys got questions? 5 minutes. So I caught a move today. Aquaman caught a move. Alex caught a move. The other Alex caught a move. We're good. We're good. I'm happy, man. More weeks like this. More weeks. Call it upon the universe. Well, guys, since nobody has questions, I'm gonna upload this live later on. God bless you guys. Danny needs to be out. Thank you for joining in. Aquaman, good job. Alice, good job. Everybody, good job. Hit me up if you guys need help with anything. And God bless. I'll see you guys soon. All right. Peace.